How to get memories on Messenger. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application Messenger or Facebook is up to date. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once it is up to date, the first thing you want to know that you cannot get the memories directly from the Messenger app. What you want to do is you have to head over to your Facebook, enter your login credential as in your username and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in this page, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Beside the option of saved, the option of memories will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will be landing you on this page. So in this page, you should see all the memories that you have made on Facebook or Messenger. If you want to see all the history of your story that you have made, then tap on this icon right beside the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. In this page, it will show you all of your archived story. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get memories on Messenger. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.